Good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you guys a quick Spanish omelet. Today is one of those days where I got up early enough, around 7:30, 8 o'clock, to make some breakfast. And I am going to be doing my edits and all that cool stuff today. So thank you guys for tuning in as always. With the Spanish omelet, of course, we have egg, we have peppers, onions, tomato, and we'll see how this comes out. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. So a couple of things when you're making your Spanish omelet. Wonder Bread, we love Wonder Bread. Publix has had some good deals on it lately, 2 for 1, which is awesome. They go to pups in the corner, chasing each other down and looking for some food to drop, but it doesn't happen when Dad's in the kitchen, so they get psyched out. Now, when you're making your Spanish omelet, of course, there's some prep work, when you're cooking, and I always talk about that. I'm only as good as a cook as my prep work. So there's things that you kind of want to already have ready to go. So as you're cooking, you don't have to go grab something else and all that good stuff. So bring everything to the counter that you're going to cook with, so you're ready and you're good to go. I have yellow peppers, green peppers, red peppers. I have onions, have tomato, and I'm going to be making 3 eggs with all of these veggies cut up inside. So we are going to get it started. I've been showing out a little bit lately. I've been breaking the egg with one hand. I know how to act. You know what I mean? Haha, you see that? You see that? Skills. And as I told you guys, before, it's when you're cooking, as long as you're prepping and as long as you have everything next to you, it just becomes a smoother process. Nothing gets burned, nothing gets left alone for too long. So that's why you always see when I start cooking, I have a ton of things here. Here we go. Cut up those tomates. And this was inspired because my wifey one day just said, "Hey, can I get a Spanish omelet?" It was so out of the blue. I was not expecting it, honestly. I would have just made regular chicken and bacon, egg and sandwiches. I said chicken, egg, bacon, and cheese sandwiches. I'm actually getting better with sharpening my knives too. I never used to sharpen my knives. Now I sharpen them every time I'm done with them. Or every time I'm done with them, sometimes before I use them, just because, if Liz uses them and she doesn't sharpen them, I like to make sure they're nice and sharp. But it helps too because there's times where I used to think my knives were dull, and the reality of it is I wasn't sharpening them. I wasn't taking care of them. There we go. Get your peppers in there. Keep mixing and mixing. Oh yeah. Listen to some tunes while I finish this out. what I learned from this was I had too many veggies in here. It was too heavy. Wah, wah, wah. I tried to keep it nice. I tried to keep it together, but it was not easy. As soon as I flipped it, it just tore apart. And I cooked it too fast. That's one thing I noticed is that when I cooked my omelet last time and it came out perfect, my omelet I took its time. I didn't rush my Spanish omelet at all. There you go. Look at her. She stayed. Oh man, Sunshine stayed looking for some food. Acting like I'm gonna drop some. I ain't dropping nothing. But yeah, man, I put together this omelet. I was gonna put some turkey in it, but then wifey wanted some as well, so just added some cheese, let it melt on there, make the two sandwiches, and get ready to serve. But it did come out slamming. I was very happy with the outcome. It tastes amazing. Just eating that many veggies and stuff in the morning, it's just good for you. It's just eating healthy. You might want to do it with egg whites if you truly want to be healthy about it, but I loved it. It tastes amazing. I was excited. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is JQ215. As always, Daddy is in the kitchen grinding it up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends if you think they need to learn how to cook.